Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azar and RS Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2009 Toyota Matrix. The owner has a key that is damaged. I'm meant to program this key and the remote. See, it's not currently it's not programmed. Why this one is programmed? As you can see, I can start the car to show you that this is not programmed. You can see it's not programmed. I've done a video on an Oki loss on 2010 Toyota Matrix using Hotel, but this time I'm going to use Xhorse programmer. As you can see, so we're going to start the ignition on. Toyota. Select by type. New system. New system. Key programming. Switch ignition on with the original key. Switch it off. Put it back on. Configuring system. The ignition is on. Okay, inside the key that I need to program. Put in the off position. The key has been inserted in the off position. So we'll wait. You can see the security light blinking. After 60 seconds, if the key is programmed, it will go off. Meanwhile, our tool is counting down. Yeah, programming succeed. Programming succeed. So we're going to turn the ignition on and see if this light blink. So it's off. That started the car. This is the old key. Now this is the new key. So we are going to program the remote. So now to program the remote, I'm going to use the manual method, the onboard programming method. I'm going to program this remote. First of all, we slot it 1, 2. Close the door. On, off. So you press lock and unlock. So it has programmed. So open the dot and see the programming mode. Locked, unlock, lock, unlock. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you.